Meaning of factory store.
Factory store.
Factory store.
Factory store.
Factory store. A factory store is a retail establishment that sells products directly from the manufacturer to the public. These stores typically offer discounted prices on goods because they eliminate the middleman's markup. Factory stores are often located near the manufacturing facilities to reduce transportation costs and maximize efficiency. Customers can shop for a variety of products, including clothing, home goods, electronics, and more. Overall, factory stores provide an opportunity for consumers to save money while purchasing high-quality products directly from the source.